Hi everyone, this is VCreate83 and I have for you today your toy box. It's finally arrived after being stuck in customs. I'm looking forward to this and I'm just getting straight into it because A, it's bulging, and B, I want to see what new cool things I've got. This is still one of my favourite boxes. I love the fact that no two boxes are the same and pretty much you get to decide what you get. So, open it up, you got the Transformers Prime bag with its label. Pretty cool. I use a lot of these smaller bags for carrying stuff around, so really happy with that. Got plush. We've got a Frankenstein plush. I quite like that actually, that's pretty cool. What the hell is this? This is a Green Lantern jet with Green Lantern inside. Green Lantern! Not quite sure. Oh, it's a sort of gun thing. That's nothing. I'm going to have to find out what this is. I'm guessing you put something in there and... I think it's cool because it's a lovely plane with Green Lantern inside, so hey. Got another big item. A few big items. Whoa! This is an Optimus Prime item. Rolling down the street and then boom! I quite like that actually. Riding down the street and then... Can't do it now. Boom! Got one gun and... I do like that, that's a pretty nifty toy. That's going to go in my Transformers collection. So we've got two small items and then the fun comics. We've got a Spider-Man figure! Don't actually have much for Spider-Man, so I'm very happy for this one. Spider-Man! And a Transformer. Let's see. That's a Jeep. He transforms into... I say that's... No. I will look at the thing, see if it tells me. That is Ironhide. Okay, that's an interesting little Ironhide figure. Okay, we have got comics. Into the Vortex. The final earth-shaking issue by Dark Horse. Do love my Dark Horse. Always looking for more Dark Horse. And Daredevil, Marvel Knights. The Murdoch Papers. Ooh! Cool. I know about this arc. I quite like the sound of it, so quite like that comic. Yes. There's everything in the box. So let's go through again. Well, we got the interesting Ironhide Transformer, which I will have to look into. And then we got the cool Transformer Optimus Prime, which is a bit like that one. The bumper I made. We got the Transformers tote bag, again, which is very useful for me because I use a lot of these sort of things. We've got the really cool Spider-Man figure. I do like to get something Spider-Man. I mean, I wasn't a fan of the movies. Well, the old movies. The new movies are pretty cool. Got the Frankenstein plush. Do you like that? That is nifty. Got the Green Lantern gun thing with Green Lantern. Love the fact that counter character. And then we got Vortex. A Dark Horse. I'm looking forward to it. And Daredevil. And that is, well, that's your toy box. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll bring you more videos soon. Bye.